VSTECS Astar Sdn Bhd is collaborating with the Hong Kong-based commercial drone maker Da-Jiang Innovations or DJI to distribute Mavic Mini drone nationwide next week. The drone, priced at 1,599 ringgit each, was launched on Thursday and already received a large number of pre-orders. VSTECS Astar Sdn Bhd will be the authorized distributor for DJI in Malaysia.
I think this is the first time that this product is so affordable. And as I mentioned, it's only 1,599. A lot of people will wanted to own it. And in fact, plus the matter that we are the first country to launch, we hope we have more stock available. In fact, the pre-order already started and the response is so good. We are only concerned that we may not have enough stock because they just launched worldwide. Yeah. Yes, the stock will be arriving next week. The pre-order already started, so whoever had ordered, they should get their stock by next week. As soon as probably Tuesday, Wednesday or so, yeah. And the price app is available Monday.
Speaking to reporters after the launch, VSTECS Group General Manager Tiang Kwan said the drone is unique and different from any other drones because it is very light and portable, as well as being named the most safest drone in the world as it only weighs 249 grams. The palm-sized drone also has a very high-quality camera in capturing compelling footage in high definition. DJI Global Marketing and Communication Director Kevin On said designing a drone as lightweight, compact yet capable as Mavic Mini was one of the most challenging projects that the company has taken on, and putting top-of-the-line features into a palm-sized drone is the culmination of years of work. He saw Malaysia as an important market for the company in Asia Pacific, with talks about making the country as one of the drone hub for Southeast Asia and increasing usage of drones among businesses here, such as in the field of agriculture, infrastructure and construction.
Well, we have a couple of markets in Asia Pacific which are very important for us, and Malaysia is definitely one of them. I think timing-wise, it also works out. We also have to look at availability and shipping from our headquarters. But really, when we look at Malaysia, there's a lot of news or talk about, creating this as one of the drone hubs as well, right? And I think more importantly, if you look at the businesses across here in Malaysia, there's already a lot of people using drones